Welcome to the second part of the Shaolin Kata. We end up here in the first part. Now look at the demonstration carefully. I am going to demonstrate you the 11 steps of this kata, and after the demonstration I will show you the hidden strategies. But first you need to learn the moves first. Now it's time to learn the moves or the techniques. First, go back and hit. You can hit in the chin or you can hit in the groin level. It is totally up to the situation. Now hit in the foot of your enemy if someone comes from behind. Now perform a very heavy attack in head. Turn around and again hit in the chin, and your other leg will be the blocking position. Again perform a heavy attack in the chest. After that go back and again hit in the head. Now this is a very light attack. If your enemy able to survive, then go forward and hit again. Now perform a side kick on the face of your enemy and hit again. Now it's time to charge your attack. Generate additional force and perform a jumping attack on your enemy. After that perform a sudden attack on the knee or in the foot of the other enemy. So this is the complete demonstration. If you find this video useful, then leave a comment please and wait for the third part.